Hey guys, Airsoft21 here with another unboxing. This one is from weaponblender.com. You should check them out. Great price. Great prices. Great store. They are in Utah. I'm in California. Shipped like 4 days, so that's really good. All right, so I'm gonna open this up right now. So a box weighs about 3 pounds. Not much. But good enough. Pretty much got necessities, except for one thing. Okay. So got my paper here. I also love this site because it comes with the shipping is only $4.75, and no tax. So really great. So you can see here I have a hydration carrier I got. Put that first. I have a hydration carrier by Condor. It comes with a harness and the molly, and it comes with a hydration pack for $28.99. So that's a great price. Got an OD. Alright. Next I got Overwatch silencer, foam filled, by the way. Let's pull this out. It's really nice. Alright. So it's a really nice silencer, foam filled. Next I got 32 piece of 4-color rail covers, XTM rail covers. So open this, just take it out. Some rail covers right here. It's really nice here. Now I still gotta figure out how to put these on, but it'll take some time. But yep. Then next I got these, I got these patches here. This one is Poo Magnet, as you can see right here. It's got that for like $2, and then I got this one right here, and then I got this patch right here. I'll zoom in for you, or go close up. Got this patch right here, if you can see that. It says classy. There you go. And I'll zoom in these two patches right here. And then, so I'm really happy with this order. It was I'm not sure about the price. Let's see. It was $79. So I love this. I love all of what I got. I barely have to wait. I waited like 4 days, and it's from Utah. So thanks for watching. Airsoft21 signing out. Thanks for watching my Weapon Blender unboxing. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment.